Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can justify text in Microsoft Word. Right, so that's what I'm going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word open up here. I just have this random text right here in this. So these two paragraphs that I have here. So to justify, you have to make sure that this line is straight here and then it's straight here. So to make it look more professional. So to do that, all you have to do is just highlight everything. Maybe the paragraph that you write to justify, just highlight it and then come here. And then at the end here, it's justify. So now once you click on that, you will see you got it right there. You justify that. And then you can do the same as this one as well. Highlight everything and then justify. Right? You can do it one by one, and then you can also do it just at the same time. So let's say if you were to go back, right, and then you want to highlight, let's say you want to highlight your whole letter, right? You are writing a letter and then you just want to justify everything. So you can highlight everything at the same time and then just justify it. And then as you can see, it has all been justified at the same time. So yeah, that's how you can justify a paragraph or justify text in Microsoft Word. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now, if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.